The sound of Martin Luther King. I hear you standing for what was right. I see your words beyond the grave, lulling my child to sleep after a day of injustice. I feel your dream while cloaked amidst hate and segregation, still found despite the rights and justice you prevailed for a time. I find your legacy is found in my life, filled with better mornings than my father or his father, whose blood comprised of your struggle stand before me. So I have an equality they did not, even though I am not equal yet. I take this day, your day, to look back while moving ahead with a message bred into the melanin of my soul, thankful for your dream, a reality I get to live imperfectly today.